Kindergarten English Test 1. First, you will have a question, an image, and 3 choices. Second, you will have 10 seconds to choose an answer. Finally, the answer will be revealed. Number 1. What letter does it start with? That's right. A for apple. Number 2. What letter does it start with? Good job. D for dog. Number 3. What letter does it start with? Awesome. S for sun. Number 4. What is the name of this shape? Nice. It's a circle. Number 5. Match the big letter to the small letter. E.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
That's right. E. Number 6. What is the name of this shape? Good job. It's a square. Number 7. Match the small letter to the big letter. M.
L, N, O, N, N, O, M, O, P,
Awesome. M. Number 8. What letter comes after G in the alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Nice. H. Number 9. What is the name of this shape? That's right. It's a triangle. Number 10. Last one. What letter does it start with? Yes. Awesome. E for elephant. The end. Thanks so much for watching.